Hello children, this very class is continuation of your ratio and proportion chapter. Here question number 5 has been picked up, and question number 5, of the 72 persons working in office, 28 are men and the remaining are women. Find the ratio of men to women, men to total number of persons, total number of persons to women. We've got 3 sub question. Okay, so see here what given, number of total persons given 72. What input given in the question? Let us see, observe first. Of the 72 person, that means number of total person given 72, 28 are men and the remaining women. Men given 28, women not given. Okay, so number of total persons, persons given, total persons given 72. Number of total persons given 72, and number of men given 28. Number of women, it is not mentioned in the question. Let us find. If we subtract the number of men from the number of total persons, we'll get the women. So 12 minus 8, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 44. Okay. So number of total women 44. Now solution. Okay. Question number A. Let us solve question number A. Sub question A. Solution. So therefore man is to women. Equal man we got 28, is it? And women we got 44. So all right, 28 is to 44. Equal 28 by 44. So here common divisor is 4. With 4 you can divide both 28 and 44. What we got? 28 by 44, and 4 is the common divisor. So see, 4 times 7 is 28, 4 times 11 is 44. So what we got? 7 by 11. So you can write 7 is to 11. This is the man is to woman, the required ratio of man to woman. Therefore required ratio of man to women is 7 is to 11. This is the solution for question number 5, sub question A. Now let us solve sub question B. Sub question B. What did we find here? All same, only man to total number of person. So man is to total number of person. Persons. So man we got 28. So all right, 28 is to total number of person we got 72. So all right, 72. Next step, I'll be needed space. So 28 by 72. Now see, here common division what we got, both are divisible by 2 because even number we can divide by 2. Okay, we can divide by 4 also. I think 2 times 3 is 6, carry over 1 12, 2 times 4 is 12, 2 times 14 is 28. Okay, now again you can divide by 2, 2 times 17 is 34, 2 times 7 is 14. So what we got, 7 by 14. Okay, we got 7 by 14, so you can write 7 is to 14. Alright, so answer will be required ratio of man to woman. Okay, find the ratio of, so required ratio of man to required ratio of, okay, man to total number of person, man to total number of persons is what we got, 7 is to 14. Okay, so C also will be same. Okay, total number of person to woman. Okay, total number of person to woman, that means it will be total number of person 72 and women is 44, so 72 is to 44. Okay, you proceed on yourself. Question number C you do yourself, it's very simple, total same only. Okay, total number of persons to women, so total number of persons 72, women is 44, so 72 is to 44. Okay, I'm not going to do this one. Now let us do question number 6, that is find two equivalent ratios of. Okay, sub question A has been picked up for you, that is 6 is to 15. Okay, so equivalent fraction you have already find out, you know how to find out equivalent fraction, that's same only, equivalent ratio. Okay, so solution 6 is to 15, 6 is to 15. Okay, equal 6 by 15. If we multiply both the antecedent and consequent by the same number, so we'll get the equivalent fraction. So what are we getting, 12 by 30. Again 6 is to 15 equal 6 by 15. If we multiply by 3, we'll get 18 by 45. Okay, now this 12 by 30 and 18 by 40, these two, what we got, 12 is to 30 and 18 is to 45. So find two equivalent ratios of 6 is to 15. Therefore, two equivalent fraction, okay, of 6 is to 15 are 12 is to 30 and 18 is to 45. Okay, so very simple question. Also, now let us solve question number 7, that is the first, second and fourth terms of a proportion of 6, 18 and 24 respectively. Find the third term. Okay, now see, we've got first term, second term and third term, and since here mentioned respectively, that means this is the first term, this is the second term and this is the fourth term. Okay, since the word respectively mentioned, that means we cannot write anyone for first, anyone for second, anyone for third. Certainly this first one will be first term, second one will be second term, and this third one will be fourth term in a respective order. Okay, now see where to find the third term. So solution So in the previous class, in the previous video, you have already learned what a proportion is. Okay, you have already got the idea of proportion. Since you have to find the third term, so let us assume, okay, let x be the third term. Okay, x be the third term. Okay, now as per the question, okay, as per the question, first term is to second term, then proportional to third term is to fourth term. Third term we have assumed x, so in place of third term we'll write x is to fourth term is given 24. Are you getting me? This is first term, so first term is to second term, proportional to third term. It was not given in question, but we have assumed that third term is x, so in place of third term we'll write x is to fourth term is given here, so fourth term. Okay, now see, in the following step, we know in a proportion, okay, extreme into extreme, this is called extreme, this 6 is extreme, and this 24, this first term and fourth term are called extreme. What do you call them? Extreme. You don't need to write here extreme, but you, while doing, you don't write like this extreme, and this 18 is mean. Okay, here this x is mean and this 24 is extreme. 24 is extreme. Getting me? Here 6 is extreme. Okay, here 18 is mean, again x is mean, this mid term, two middle terms, okay, second term and third terms are called mean, and this first term and fourth term are called extreme. And we have already learned that in a proportion always extreme into extreme equal mean into mean. Is it? Extreme into extreme equal mean into mean, so mean into mean. Okay, 18. Okay, so you can write here therefore 18 into x, mean into mean, equal extreme into extreme. Okay, or in the following step, since we are to find the third term, so this x is the third term, we'll keep it to the left side, rest all will take to the right side. To the right, what we got? 6 into 24. This 18 is to the left multiplied with x, we'll take it also to the right, it will become divide. Now see, 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 8 is 24. What we got? We got 8. So x equal what we got? X. So our question was find the third term, therefore required third term. Okay, required third term is equal x equal what we got? 8. This is our solution. Okay, question number 7. Are you getting me? Well children, now let us solve question number 10. And question number 10 was given, see, the ratio of the income to expenditure of a family is 7:6. Find the savings if the income is rupees 14,000. Okay, ratio given. What ratio given? Income to expenditure. Okay, income is to expenditure given 7:6, and income given, but expenditure not given. But we have to find the savings. See what input given in the question. Ratio of income into expenditure given, that is 7:6. Income is to expenditure given 7:6, and income, amount of income given rupees 14,000. Amount of income given rupees 14,000. Okay, you have to find the savings. Okay, but here ratio of savings not given, ratio given income into expenditure. So in order to know the savings, that means first of all you should know the income and expenditure. Okay, then only you will know the savings. Okay, so solution. Okay, let X be the expenditure. X be the expenditure. Okay, therefore now see, income is to expenditure is given in a question, isn't it? Okay, as per the question we are writing, income is to expenditure is proportional to 7:6. Okay, now in question income is mentioned at rupees 14,000. So in place of income, all right, rupees 14,000. Okay, therefore rupees 14,000 is to expenditure. We don't know, but we assumed here expenditure is X. So in place of expenditure, put the value X proportional to 7:6. Now see, in a proportion, this is called extreme term. This is called mean term. Again, this is extreme. Again, this is mean. Okay, and we know extreme into extreme equal mean into mean. Okay, therefore mean into mean, okay, equal extreme into extreme. Okay, now see, or mean, here mean what given? X. Here mean is what? 7. So what we can write? 7 into X equal 14,000 into 6. All right, so in the following step we have to find the value of X. So I'll put the X to the left side, rest I will take to the right side. To the right, see, 14,000 into 6 divided by 7. Now 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2,000 is 14,000. Okay, what you got? 2,000 into 6, 12,000. This 12,000 is our value of X. That means 12,000 is our expenditure, because X is expenditure, and so value of X will be the expenditure. But we have to find savings, not the expenditure, is it? Therefore required savings, is equal, required savings equal, income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure. So income, what we got? Rupees 14,000. So in place of income, all right, rupees 14,000, then minus, and expenditure, what we got? 12,000, is it? Value of X is 12,000 and X is the expenditure. We assume let X be the expenditure. So all right, here 12,000. Okay, what will get? Rupees 2,000. This is the savings. Required saving is 12,000. This is the solution of question number 10. Okay, well children, with this very question today we'll wind up this very class. I'll meet you again tomorrow with the next chapter and rest question from this chapter. You proceed on yourself, endeavor yourself. Bye.